Hello everyone. Today we are here to guide you towards one of the most prestigious scholarship in the world, that is Rhodes Scholarship. By the end of this video, you will get an overview of Rhodes Scholarship, its features, its benefits, required eligibility criteria, academic achievements and documents, and lastly with some tips and guidelines too. So, let's get to know what is this Rhodes Scholarship is about. The Rhodes Scholarship is a prestigious, fully funded postgraduate scholarship that enables exceptional young leaders from around the world to study at the University of Oxford in the UK. This scholarship covers all expenses for a postgraduate degree at Oxford, one of the most prestigious university globally. Before applying to any scholarship, one should have a clear understanding about that. So, here are some key features about Rhodes Scholarship. First, it's a fully funded postgraduate scholarship at the University of Oxford. Secondly, it is open to exceptional young leaders from all around the world. Then, it covers all expenses including tuition fees, living stipends, flights, visa, and health insurance. And moreover, it's an opportunity to study a wide range of postgraduate courses at Oxford. Now, let's get you familiarized with some enticing perks of having a Rhodes Scholarship. First, all university and college fees is covered with living stipend of 90,092 euros per annum. Then you will also get settling in allowance. Then there will be 2 economy class flights to and from the UK. Also, it covers visa and health surcharge fees. It gives access to the renowned University of Oxford and its resources. Lastly, it's an opportunity to join a global community of Rhodes scholars. To be eligible for the Rhodes Scholarship 2024, applicants must meet the following criteria. Let's discuss about the eligibility criteria. First, nationality or citizenship. Must be a citizen of the specific Rhodes constituency from which they are applying. For example, Indian citizen must hold an Indian passport. PIO or OCI card holders do not qualify. For age, candidate must be aged between 18 to 23 on 1st October 2024, born after October 2000 and before 2 October 2006. Alternatively, candidates who completed their first undergraduate degree later than usual can be under 27 years old on 1st October 2024, born after October 1997, and must have completed their first undergraduate degree on or after 1st October 2023. Then, education and residency. Must have completed formal education in India for at least 4 of the past 10 years. Must have passed a school leaving exam that is 10th or 12th standard or equivalent in India or be in the final year of undergraduate degree at an Indian university. Should have completed an undergraduate degree by July 2025 with an academic record that meets or exceeds the entry requirements of the chosen course at the University of Oxford. Now, academic achievements. A first-class honors degree or equivalent is highly advantageous as candidates will be competing for admission to Oxford, which has rigorous academic standards. Then, English language proficiency must meet the English language proficiency requirements set by the University of Oxford. These criteria ensures that the Rhodes Scholarship selects candidates who do not only excel academically but also demonstrate leadership potential and commitment to service. Now comes the most important part, that is application procedure. So, starting with check eligibility criteria based on your country or region. Then, complete online application by the deadline varies by countries. Then, submission. Complete the online application form available on the Rhodes Trust websites. Then, references. Provide the names of at least 4 to 5 referees who can support your application. Then, documentation. Upload required documents including academic transcripts, proof of wage, and personal statements. Then, provide academic transcripts, CV, personal statements, and reference. Then, shortlisted candidates will be interviewed. And final selection made by Rhodes Trust. So, the required documents will be completed online application form, academic transcripts, curriculum vitae, personal statement, scan or passport ID page, and references. Now, here are some helpful tips and guidelines for you. First, start your application well in advance of the deadline. Then, ensure you meet all the eligibility criteria. Then, craft a compelling personal statement highlighting your potential and commitment to the course domain area. Then, choose referees who can speak to your academic abilities and research qualities. Finally, prepare thoroughly for the interview if shortlisted. So, if you need assistance with your Rhodes Scholarship application or have any other questions about studying abroad, contact our expert abroad consultant at Contact Info. We are here to help you navigate the application process and achieve your goals for studying at the top universities like Oxford. Thank you once again.